Good morning, Namaste, Pranam. Ranjan Kumar is standing in front of you, and Ranjan Kumar has come with a new purpose. The purpose is the same, the target is same, and the meaning is the same. I mean to clear to you that we are studying grammar. In grammar field, we are trying our level best to study the pronoun. In the study of pronoun, we completed the first kind, personal pronoun. It's another kind, demonstrative pronoun. We are going to take up the next kinds of the pronoun. Okay, take up the pen, open the notebook, be ready, and come front. Let's start. The pronoun continued. It's the next point or kinds in the possessive pronoun. Origin. Originally, the term possessive has come down to us in the Latin word possessivus, 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 which means possessive, as reflected in the dictionary of Latin English grammar. Definition. The pronoun that refers to possession or right or authority is said to be the possessive pronoun. Very simply, we need to describe the basic concept of origin and definition. Now, just be careful. I'm going to propound you in a very simple and lucid way and manner. We know that there is a language in the world. That language is popularly known as Latin language. It is said that most of the words of English have originated from this Latin language. Exactly the same way we can say that the word possessive has come down to us, or the word possessive has its origin from the Latin word possessivus, whose spelling is Possessivus, which means possession. And possession means in our Hindi language is adhikar. Okay? Definition. The word of pronoun in English language, that indicates possession, right or authority. It means belonging, something that belongs to someone, and something that is under the right of someone. It is called possessive pronoun. Okay? Actually, I want myself to satisfied, and I want to satisfy you again. The pronoun that indicates authority, possession, or right is said to the possessive pronoun. It means to say that the thing or something that is under the possession or under the authority of someone, or the thing or something that belongs to someone permanently, as bought or achieved, it is known as possessive pronoun. Note, the possessive pronoun includes pronouns like mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs. When these pronouns are used as a subject, they are regarded singular, and so a singular verb comes. These pronouns are followed by prepositions too. Words like mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are called possessive pronouns. Mine means मेरा, ours means हमारा, yours means तुम्हारा, hers means उसका, this means उनका. These pronouns are regarded singular. When they are used as a subject, they become a singular subject. That's why a singular verb comes for it. They are also followed by a word of preposition. Verb Gracia. मेरा कलम सफेद है, लेकिन तुम्हारा कलम काला है. My pen is white, but yours is black. Now we can see that my pen is white but yours is black. This is the sentence translation of the above Hindi sentence. The word pronoun or the word yours is pronoun. The word yours is a pronoun. It is a possessive pronoun. It has been used here as a subject, as a singular subject. That's why it has taken a singular verb. हमारा विशाल देश है, ours is a great country. The rule says that it is also followed by a word of preposition. Now let's see another example. मेरे एक मित्र ने ऐसा कहा. A friend of mine said so. मेरे एक मित्र ने ऐसा कहा. We can translate this sentence in two ways. The first way, my friend said so, and the second way is, a friend of mine said so. Here, mine is followed by the preposition of. Okay. Now let's study very carefully. See you again. Thank you.